guys, welcome to my channel. This is Deepa. So this video is requested to me like so much. Like all want to know what is my shampoo routine because I have really long and thick hair. So I'm like, finally let me film it because everyone is asking me. So before you can see I also have acne marks, so I'm also going to apply a face mask. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. It would mean a lot to me. So I'm just going to share, I'm just going to connect you all to the tripod in a bit, but there are certain steps that I do before I do my shampoo routines. I'm going to show everything to you guys, so stay tuned. We are going to apply a face mask since I have a lot of acne scars. So to get rid of that, I'm going to apply a face mask. So I'm going to use the activated charcoal face mask. So I'm just going to wet my face and I'm going to be right back. So I just wet my face. I didn't get my face mask brush. So I'm just going to take little of this. You can see how much I have used it. And I'm just going to apply on my wet face, so that all these acne scars are gone once it's dry. So till then we can also have our head bath. So I'm also going to go down under my neck. So these face masks apply very good when you wet your face. So I'm going to go all the way down till here. Anyways, we are going to have bath later, so it's going to help. So you can see I have a big heat boil here, so it's also going to get rid of that. So till my mask is drying, I'm going to apply oil on my hair. So I spoke about this oil a lot in my videos. I spoke about Kadi Tulsi hair oil a lot in my videos. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on my scalp. Probably this much. I hope you can see that. So I'm just going to take this much and apply this on my scalp before I have head bath. So I just apply this on my scalp and I wait for 10 minutes before I have my head bath. So you can see the face mask is also dry. So I'm going to just wash this in a bit. So for the shampoo mixture, I take lukewarm water. I don't take too much warm water. And I use the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5. So I always use only this shampoo. So sometimes I also use Tresemme. So mostly it is this. So since I have long hair, so I probably take this much. And I just, see, this is the consistency that I have. So if I want, I don't put too much of shampoo. So this is the consistency that I take. So for conditioner today I am using the Jove's Argan Oil Hair Spa Mask. So I freaking love this mask. Since I have dry hair, I use this mask. So after you do your shampoo, so you have to leave this in for almost 10 minutes. And I'm just going to show you this in my when I have my head bath.
So we are in the washroom right now, but the one tip that I'll give you guys is that always have your head bath first and tie your hair up and then have your normal bath, because when you apply a conditioner and when it is on your body, you get these small pimples kind of a thing, which is not good. So always have your head bath first and then have your normal bath. So you can see I have my towel here ready and I also have my loofah. So always have bath with a loofah. So that really helps. So always I suggest the same to you guys, that always have your bath with loofah. Then because with our hands we may not get that much of we cannot scrub that good. And I also, for face wash today, I am using the Moonbeam face wash in my bath. So the shower setting I always keep it lukewarm. So I'm just going to start having bath and then you can get an idea. I just completed my head bath. So now I'm going to apply the conditioner. So for conditioner you need to apply only in the ends of your hair. So I'm just going to see, this is the consistency it is there. So I'm just going to take little and apply it on the ends. So this conditioner should be only applied in the lower part of your hair, not on your scalp. So I'm just going to take this and apply like this, and we're going to leave this for 10 minutes and then rinse off our hair. So this is the consistency it is there. So just apply on the end. From here is where you need to apply. So I really love this conditioner. I will totally recommend you guys to buy this. So I'm just going to tie this and I'm going to wait for 10 minutes. So till the conditioner is setting in, so I don't use a normal soap for my body. So I use this As Goodness body wash. I love this body wash. So you get this on purple. I'm going to put the link below. You can have a look at that. So this I just mix it in water and I apply this on my body. So it's already been 5 minutes but the conditioner is setting in. So I didn't get my hot towel. So if you have a hot towel you can leave this and tie it. So that's also very good. 10 minutes that the conditioner is there. So I'm just going to wash my hair. So I always have my head bath first before I start doing my normal bath. So for body wash today I am using the As Goodness body wash, as I said. So I'll just take this much. This has really good fragrance. It has lily in it, jasmine and lily in it. It has really, so I use warm water for this. So I use really hot water to mix this. So this is how the consistency is, and you can see how much has come. So you can just, so I take my loofah and I just apply on my body. So I have my bath and I'll be right back. For my face, I'm using the Moonbeam face wash. So see in a bit. So you can see the hair is almost dry. I actually don't suggest you guys to put such a big towel. You use a very light towel because the weight of the towel will drag your hair down and you will have hair fall. So I just changed my towel as well. So I'm going to show all the products that I use right now. So first off, I'm using the Good Vibes Peppermint Toner, and I'm just going to spray this on my face. So always start your skincare with toner. So now I'm just going to wait for this to dry a bit. Then I'm going to apply my sunscreen. So let's wait for 5 minutes. So now my toner is dry. So now I'm going to use my sunscreen. So I'm using my Good Vibes SPF 30 sunscreen. So I'm just going to take little amount, probably this much, and I'm just going to apply and just pat it into my skin so that all these marks that I have and the acne that I have go away. I'm just going to tap all of the sunscreen and wait for 2 minutes before I apply my moisturizer. So for moisturizer today, since my skin is really moisturized, I'm going to use Fair and Lovely. So for acne scars this really helps. So I'm just going to take little amount of Fair and Lovely, probably this much, and just apply this on. And I'm also going to put a little bit of talcum powder. So this is generally my daily routine. This is what I do. I will do a separate video wherein I show how I do my regular makeup and my shoot makeup, both of that. I'm sitting near the sun and drying my hair right now. So it's already actually 50% dry, but I'm waiting for it to dry. So I'll show you how I apply my serum after it is dry.
So my hair is semi-dry right now and I'm going to apply serum. So for serum I am using the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Smoothing Serum. I'm just going to apply the serum on the ends of my hair. So it is almost 80% dry right now. So I just apply this on the ends of my hair, not on the scalp. So this just repairs your hair, and any damage that you have, it treats it. So I just apply the ends of my hair.